Tawny.
Hey Tim, good to see you.
Good to see you as always.
I love coming to Fallbrook because not only do I get to see you, I know you have an amazing property for me.
Absolutely. Well, welcome to 817 Tumbleweed Lane. This is a picturesque, peaceful Serenity location, and I can't wait to go inside and show you.
Let's see.
Okay.
Wow, this is a kitchen.
It's stunning.
Amazing.
It's stunning. Everything is brand new. My sellers spared no expense with this upgrade that they really were doing for themselves. I mean, this was something that they were planning on living in for years and years, and they spared no expense, no cost when they did this. Everything from the tile flooring, the amazing KitchenAid appliances, the black stainless steel, right? So you've got this beautiful look. I mean,
This island that's like the size of Catalina.
right? I mean, these quartzite countertops, they just absolutely seem like they go on and on. And they took this and they used it throughout the house. So you will see, as I show you the remainder of the house, that you're gonna see this exact look. The house actually had lots of walls. They had walls that blocked in the kitchen. They had walls that blocked in the bar, right? And now everything is just bright and open, and you can see from one side of the house to the other, and you get to take in all these wonderful views. You know, if you're entertaining and you're having the party, I mean, they have a wonderful double-sided wine refrigerator where you put your beer, you put your water, you know, whatever you want to have in there. And they also have a special ice maker back there.
This is an
Now you have
entertainer's
it.
house.
Yes.
For sure.
That's right.
From the size of the kitchen to your very own private bar.
That's right.
That I hope serves margaritas.
Absolutely. We'll save that
This
one.
whole house, I mean, there's so much light with all the windows, and it's like serenity outside.
It is absolute serenity. Views to the north, views to the south, and I actually have some of the best views still to show you.
Really?
Yes.
More than this?
Yes.
Okay, you're holding out on me, Tim.
No, let's go.
Tim, this is a pretty cool place.
Pretty cool, right?
Yeah, I like it.
Welcome to Casa Estrella. Definitely one of my favorite restaurants.
Come here often?
More times than I probably care to tell you. I might have been here last night.
So you know all the good stuff that you ordered, right?
I do, and I actually already took it upon myself to order us a couple drinks and something to eat, so hopefully you like it.
Well, thank you.
Thank you, thank
Any
you.
margarita is a good margarita.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, so how did you learn about Casa Estrella?
So they have another restaurant in town. It is a family-owned business. This is their third for the family, the Estrella family. Frankie and Carlos Estrella actually opened this one in 2015.
It's really cool because I remember Estrella's, but it's on East Mission, right? So this is a brand new, I mean, this place is huge. The house we came from was huge. This is like quadruple, right?
Yeah, absolutely. It's about 6 times the size. I think that the bar itself is the size of their entire restaurant. Luckily, they let us come in right when they're getting ready to open now. But you know, later on tonight, this place will be packed.
It's a very family vibe, probably because it's family owned.
That's right. That's right.
They treat you like family.
Yeah, and I'm hoping that Carlos Estrella is actually here, and so I'm hoping he'll come out and I'll get a chance to introduce you to him as well.
Carlos, thank you for having us. This is such a beautiful place, one, but I love the family history of everything.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, thank you guys for being part of it and experiencing it. I'd like to also thank the community because without them, we wouldn't have been able to accomplish this dream of ours, you know. So yeah, thank you guys for giving us the opportunity.
That's so
always
cool.
welcome to our family establishments.
Yeah.
Oh, I love that. I think that deserves a cheers.
Salud.
I love it. Thank you for having us.
Absolutely.
Cheers to Casa Estrella and you. And cheers to you, Tim.
Cheers to you, Tawny.